Hi viewers, welcome. I'm Greg Gunter, the Dream Pro Realtor here in San Miguel de Allende, Mexico. Welcome to my newest listing. We're at Casa de Luz. Beautiful house, so named because of all the light that it gets. This is a new home. It's only about 5 years old, built by a California architect developer. We're on a corner lot here, you'll see in the video just a little bit later. Great light, great sun, southern exposure, so all the rooms get lots of good light. Ground floor master suite, so it's one level living. If you're not too fond of stairs, you can have your guests use upstairs. Lots of amenities to this house. You're gonna love taking a look at Casa de Luz. Come on in, let's take a look. Hi team, now we're inside the house of Casa de Luz. We're actually outside in the courtyard. Casa de Luz is so named because it all wraps around this beautiful courtyard with southern orientation. So we get lots of great light in all the rooms, especially good southern light, which keeps you nice and toasty in the wintertime and nice and comfortable in the summertime. Lots of great plants outside. Look at this poinsettia. For those of you that haven't been to San Miguel, we get great color. Lots of plants that bloom all year round. So it's not Christmas time, it's just we happen to have a poinsettia out here. We've got a great waterscaping fountain in the back. As I said, the house is all on one level, so the master suite is right over here on the ground floor. You only have a couple of steps to get to the front door and then no steps at all in the entire house. Great one level living, good morning sun in the kitchen and the dining room over here. We've got a gym upstairs, a roof terrace with views of the Parroquia and the entire city. You're gonna love taking a look at Casa de Luz. Come join me, let's go take a look.